I, uh, and and severe attack from this very piece of shit. And even yesterday, I did the other video on that attack. Not all that severe, but then later, you can't imagine what was this night nightmare. I'll leave you an image, a photo I took to myself in a bucket where I threw one. Oh, several times I did that, but this night was really. Uh, this is a bucket for gardening. Uh, it's where I pee. Imagine all night pee, pee, pee. Ah, and now they, well, they stopped because I took a photo of myself and they knew the intention. So they stopped, but now they don't want me to make this video, of course. That's why. Sorry. Ah, that's why they are doing this again. So, ah, ah, ah. Yeah, I'm sure you saw films with shit like mafia doing torture to someone. Well, this is not a film. This is exactly the case. Only there's no one here doing that. Those, those, I don't know what to call it. Those persons, those demons uh, uh, that are in that area, um, murders and so on, thieves, and mafia. So, they do that, but what is behind them is this violence. Is, and these are masters. Uh, the agenda of mafia is their agenda. Now, let's see. I'm sure you remember that shit they told people during the pandemic. And they said something like, for you and for the others. See, the truth, it's always the opposite. So they put people against them and against the others. Imagine, for instance, what many parents do to their children, putting masks and uh, putting them in a school under those situations like social distance and anything. So they don't know what they are doing. They they simply are accomplice. They collaborate with criminals, with the monsters that are against them. It's insanity. So let me go back to a situation I saw on a video. Someone said to us, for me, said something like, "Don't uh, dare you to treat uh, bad or something like that anyone." Well, of course not. It's is it a joke or something like that? Please, you should know what's going on. You should know I'm here for you, for everybody. Not for me, that, whatever, uh, being aligned, being well, having support from everyone from the universe. It's not for me. It's for them. It's for everyone. So I'm still under torture. Uh, well, it's for me. Please. If I knew what really I could go pass through something like this, yeah, that's the way. I'm not crazy. Well, now let's move on. What is at stake here? Again, is in the end a matter of representation. Yes, of course, I'm representing my father, Creator. So I'm representing their interests, not mine. I'm representing what interest could be, well, life interests, your interests. You see, so I'm not here to represent, I'm here to help you. Again, I'm here as a master, not as a chief, give orders to make laws. No way. I'm here to help you to uh, create the law that need to be created to serve as everyone. I'm sorry, this way, this tough way to show things. There is no other way. The truth must be told. And there is no pretty way to do that because things are what things are, not what I want, what I believe, what I. You see, that's why people are so mistaken, so divided, so alone. That's why people live under some kind of belief, state belief, and always what matters to people is the self, what they think, what they believe, what they want, what they can do, or whatever. You see, that doesn't make sense. There is something that has to do with everybody, and that is what consists of social contract. Citizen nature has nothing to do with the individual interests, nothing. It's on the opposite. It's what allows and protects everything, what is the good for everyone. Like, for instance, freedom. How can you think, for instance, uh, that you are free? You are not free. You live under an illusion. The system does what they want. If you are in a situation today, well, tomorrow you may could not be in that situation anymore. And that means everything like, well, they can take um, your freedom, they can do whatever, you see. So that's why they serve that shit, pandemic, because they tried to do exactly what they wanted, and it was exactly to destroy human being. And exactly, there you are, a good sign. They couldn't. Why? Because people are waking and wouldn't accept anymore that bullshit. So please wake people. This video is not uh, just for those that see the video, but for everyone. Because the thing here is you need to do your work. Also, collaborate um, to help the others to wake. They need to wake up, and not is not a matter of will, individual interest. Again, you see, no. On the opposite, it's about duty. They have the same duty as we have. You see, they must wake they must, if not um, with a good health, they will against their will, and they will suffer because they are not only against them, they are against the others. They are, with that action, they are feeding the evil that is against everybody. See? So this is not a matter of personal interest, it's a matter of duty. In this case, we can call it more than social. It's, it's about human nature. Yeah, no one can deny this. If, however, if someone wants to be um, considered in that situation as human being, well, they must accept exactly the first thing that is their duty around that. And of course, the first thing is uh, do their work in order to gain consciousness and then participate. You see, social contract. What else? That is a matter of duty, not interest, will, belief. See, so everybody needs to wake up and sorry. Ah, 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 I'm sorry. I think this video is okay. So, uh, can I say?